Guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to set auto download in Amazon Prime. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to set auto download, you just simply have to open your Amazon Prime application at first, and after that just simply tap into your profile at the top right. And after tapping into there, go to settings by tapping gears, and into here you will get the option of stream and download at the top. Just simply tap into there and you will see so many options into this page, and one of them is auto downloads. Just simply tap into this auto downloads and then enable this toggle for auto downloads into here. Then your auto download will be set into here. By following these very easy steps, you can easily auto download anything in Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.